All right, so the second step is to know what people are really buying. At AdBeacon, we know that there can be a difference between what you're advertising in your campaigns and what customers are actually purchasing. So we're shedding some light on this. There's a few vital resources we can provide with your optimization dashboard, as you can see here. The first thing you need to see is, what are people buying? Is it exactly what we're advertising? This matters because if you're advertising a hat, for example, and you're seeing your customers are purchasing sweaters, this could tell you that the seasonal preference for sweaters is bigger than that of hats, or meaning that there's an opportunity to tweak your ads to focus on what the market is truly looking for right now. This is a great example right here. If you look at this ad, we're really showcasing and promoting this colorway of headwear protection, right? It's a camo colorway, and we're sending people to the product page of that camo colorway. But is that what people are actually buying? So if you look at the view product section, you'll notice very quickly in this subset of data that people are actually buying, yes, the ear protection, but not in that colorway. They're actually buying in the green, complete green colorway, the olive drab. So wouldn't I want to send them to a landing page that had the olive drab right then and there, or we send them there and it's just a different colorway option for the camo? We want to reduce the amount of clicks and increase conversion. If there's opportunities for bundle deals, for example, as you see, there's 3 top, if not 4 top products of the exact same volume. Is there an opportunity here to double down? With these insights, you're going to get a lot more strategic, especially during peak.